Guys, it's tutorials.com on here, and this video shows you how to install the Android 4.1.1 Jelly Bean on your Samsung Galaxy GT N1000. This is the official CyanogenMod 10, launched on 5th September 2012. So it's the about phone. My phone is running 2.3.6 firmware, XXJV firmware, and my device is rooted. And make sure that your device is also rooted. Right here, the CWM installed on there, Super User on there, and Tricks also on there. So first, make sure that again your device is rooted and have installed the clock quit mode recovery. So first, go to the wireless and network, then go to the USB settings, and select the master OS as default USB settings. Now, connect your phone to the PC using USB cable. Right here, and select connect storage to the PC. Now your phone will be connected to the PC right here. Just close this folder, and here down this file that link in the description below. This is Android 4.1.1 Jelly Bean CyanogenMod 10 5/9/2012.raw. Okay guys, after downloading this file from the description below, extract the file using WinRAR right here. Password for the RAR file is Vio, also write it in description below. Okay. After extracting this file, open the extracted folder Android 4.1.1 Jelly Bean CyanogenMod 10 5/9/2012 right here. In the folder you will get two files. The first is cm10.zip file and second is gapps.zip file. Both files are zip files, so just right click and copy these two files into your removable disk or memory card of your device. Just right click and copy the files. Okay. Just create a new folder, anything that you want. I'm creating cm10. Okay, the folders already exist, so just selecting no. And creating again the new folder called Jelly Bean. Okay. Just right click and paste the files. Okay guys, after copying these two files from your PC, just right click and eject your device from your PC. Okay. Now just come to your device. Right here, just select disconnect storage from PC, remove USB cable, turn off your device by pressing power key, power off. Okay guys, after turning off your device, just enter your device into the clock quit mode recovery by pressing volume up key plus home key. By holding volume up key and home key, turn on your device. Okay guys, you have successfully entered in the clock quit mode recovery 3. Okay, to use this recovery, to scroll down or up, use your volume rocker keys. To select any option from this menu, just press the home key. To go back, just press the power key. Okay guys, now first select the wipe data factory set. Then select S, delete all this data. Okay guys, now select the wipe cache partition. Then select S, wipe cache. Now just go to the advanced menu and select the wipe data cache. Then select S, wipe data cache. Then go back to the main menu and then select install zip from SD card. Then select choose zip from SD card and find the folder that we have created in a memory card or inbuilt storage of device and open the folder. Okay guys, in the folder now just select the first file is cm10 2012-905-nightly-galaxy smtd.zip. Then select S, install cm10. Now your phone will be rebooted in the new clock quit mode recovery. Okay guys, now select the install zip from SD card again, then select choose zip from SD card. Then open the folder that we have created from in the PC and select the first file cm10 2012-0905-nightly-galaxy smtd.zip. Then select S, install cm10. Okay guys, after completing installation, choose it from SD card again, select choose it from SD card again, then open the folder that we have created again, and now select gapps-jb 2012 0726 sign.zip. Then select as install gapps-jb. Okay guys, now select the go back. Then select the white data factory set. Then select as delete all its data. Then select the reboot system now. Okay guys, after the rebooting your device, you have successfully installed the Android 4.1.1 Jelly Bean on your Samsung Galaxy S GT N1000. So guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, rate, comment, and please share this video. You can also join us on a Facebook group called Android Pirates, that link in the description below.